chose farmhouse Flagstones because the property is about 100 years old and we wanted flooring that was suitable and looked as though it had been down that time, and we found this company online and the Flagstones are authentically old. We also chose the Flagstones because of their authenticity with the marks on them, and actually that's really enhanced the look of the property with using these Flagstones in our bargain version. House Flagstone service excellent. The fact that the product they deliver is, outstanding. Really pleased with the service they provided and would actually, recommend them.